everyone. So today I am going to go through my daughter's toys. She's agreed to come in and help me. So she's right there. You say hi?
Hi.
So she's going to help me with this because this is mainly her stuff. My older daughter doesn't really have many toys. That Rubik's Cube magic trick set, that is my older daughter's. So we'll just put her stuff, on her bed to sort through. But for now, we're gonna go through my youngest because she's the one who has a ton of things and every kind of girl toy imaginable. So we're gonna go through this, and so I just want to give you a shot of what it looks like right now, beginning. Okay. And there is a desk somewhere under there. Okay, and then we have this corner here along with her dollhouse. So we are going to get started.
So here we're gonna start going through her items in the boxes, one box at a time. And I gave her each item in her hand to hold up to herself and to evaluate if it brought her joy, if it brought her happiness when she plays with it. So that's the criteria we went by, following the Konmari Method. And it seems like a tedious process. However, it is a necessary one, especially for my daughter who has a lot of toys, a ton of toys. Weeding through and trying to decide which ones to keep, and using this one criteria makes it so simple for kids. So that's what we did. Here we're going through and sorting things according to what we're going to keep, donate, put in the recycling, and put in the trash. And I was just helping her with things that I know are definitely trash and recycling, because they might be papers that are just one-off things, or school papers that she's brought home that she no longer needs. So as you can see here, we're trying to go through it as quickly as we can, and really just trying to get her to do this as quickly as possible. However, at the beginning it was a little slower, and Marie Kondo does say this in her book, that at the beginning it will take a little longer, but as you go through the method and as you go through the particular category, it should get easier and faster. And I did find that to be true.
this book.
Yeah, we don't need that. It's easy.
Okay.
Okay.